Hello everyone and welcome to a new Teezily tutorial. Today I'm going to talk about our new cross-sell tag system. So basically now with this new tag system, you will be able to optimize your campaign by choosing the 4 campaigns that will be in the cross-sell section. So let me show you an example. Here I have design with a dog in the dog niche, and before I really couldn't show which designs. I mean, you could they would be from the same store and collection if you had if you had it in your store, but I couldn't choose which 4 designs directly. So now with the tag system, it's possible. And so the 2 rules and criteria you have to keep in mind are: first thing, the language. The language will be detected by the description. So if the description here is in English, the 4 campaigns that will be shown on the rated products have also all the English description. You can change the description afterwards also in the edit product, so that's not a problem if you want to change it, but that's one of the main rules. So the second is the tag, of course. So if my main campaign has 5 tags, all the related products, the four with most tags in common will be shown here. So if I have 10 designs in the dog niche, the 4 that have most designs, most tags in common with the main campaign will be shown. The third criteria is the sales. So if, of course, I have 10 designs with the dog niche with all the same tags, the 4 designs with most sales will be shown. So the good thing is that with the tag system you have 15 tags available, so you can really decide by playing with the tags which design will be shown for which campaign. One thing you can also do is for one design you can show different products. So if I want to I have this design that I want to show also in a mug, in a canvas, in an all-over hoodie, in a phone case, whatever, you can do that. So it's really up to you how now you want to show the campaign and what in the cross-sell. I want to show you also how you can edit fast the tags. We have a bulk option, a bulk action available for you. So I'm going to select my designs that I want to choose. I want to change the tags. Once I do that, I will go on Edit Products, and here I have the Add Tags. I will click, and here I can put all the tags I want for the same campaigns. Very easy. Once I choose the tags, I will just save the changes. So that's all. I hope this new system will help you to do more sales. And if you have questions, of course, we are here for you. And thank you for listening.